Welcome to ISL Enabled Virtual Lab of CSIR.
Topic: La Nina. Definition of La Nina. La Nina refers to the periodic cooling of ocean surface temperature in the central and eastern tropical Pacific Ocean. It typically has the opposite effect of El Nino on weather patterns and occurs less frequently. Key characteristic: occurrency often follows El Nino but not always. Durations typically 9 to 12 months up to 2 years. Intensity varies. Strong events alter global weather significantly. Sign of La Nina: cooler than average ocean temperature in the Central Eastern Pacific, enhanced trade winds in the Pacific, and changes in the global atmospheric circulation. Impact of La Nina: Eastern Pacific. La Nina brings more hurricanes and generally weather conditions. Western Pacific. It causes dries, warmer weather. Southern Asia, Northern US, Canada. This area experience increased precipitations, more rain and snow. Southern US, part of South America. La Nina leads to reduced precipitations, often causing droughts. Environmental and ecological effect: marine ecosystem. Changes in the water temperature and current caused by cyclones shift marine habitats and specific distribution, affecting biodiversity. Wildlife. Altered habitats and disputed food sources due to extreme weather impact animal pollutions and ecosystem balance. Agriculture effect. Benefit: increased rainfall for cyclone can boost agriculture productivity in the some regions by water supplies. Agriculture. Weather shift directly affect crop while damaging plants and reducing harvest. Drawback: droughts can harm agriculture output in affected area. Economic impact: productivity. Cyclone disrupt local and global markets, flood, storms. Infrastructure suffers costly damage requiring expensive repair and strains budgets and economics. Predicting and monitoring La Nina. Observation tools. Monitor sea surface temperature. Satellite to detect usually warming or cooling patterns in ocean. Pacific buoys that measure ocean temperature at current, providing real-time data on ocean condition. Climate model forecasting that uses atmospherics and ocean data to predict and verify La Nina event. Predictions models. Advanced modeling to forecast the onset and impact of La Nina, helping prepare for its effects on weather and agriculture. International collaboration to share resources and improve model accuracy through joint research and data exchange.